Hello, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I am here to unbox the summer 2024 FabFitFun box with you guys. I got this yesterday and my cat is already desperately trying to claw her way into it. I gotta get this box open. So if you've never heard of FabFitFun before, it is a seasonal subscription. It always comes with a variety of items: lifestyle, beauty, health, and there's always a ton of choices. You get several categories, and in each category you get to pick your item. If you pay by the season, you get less options to choose from. If you pay by the year, you get to choose in each category. If you're seasonal, you still get the same amount of items, you just don't get to choose all of them. Like, you get some surprise items. I used to always be seasonal. I've been getting this box for years until I got to the point where I really wanted to make my own choices in some of those other categories. So here I am. This is at the end of my, I think, second or third yearly subscription. I've been getting this subscription for a long time. So let's get right on into it. Okay, so right on top, I see add-ons. So that's another thing, really nice thing about this subscription. There's always a gigantic shop where if you want extra things in your box, you can add more things. I don't always do that, but I did this time because I noticed they had the Give Beauty highlighters. Now, every single time I go into Sephora, I would swatch these and be like, oh, those are so nice. Well, I got these as an amazing price. I got 2 shades. I could not stop myself. I got Platinum Cowgirl and Homegrown Glow. I cannot wait to swatch these with you. So first we have Platinum Cowgirl. These have been getting nice reviews as just being really nice, smooth, natural looking highlighters. And whenever I swatched them, I agreed. I thought they looked so pretty. And this is Homegrown Glow, which is the peachy one. Ooh, so pretty. Swatching that makes me a little bit nervous that it'll be dark on me, but if I'm light-handed enough, it will probably work. I will definitely keep you updated. I was so excited for these. So excited. Okay, so now moving on to what's in the actual box. We have a hydrating lip tint from Thrive Cosmetics. I chose the shade Cara, or is it Cara? I don't know. It's like a muted rose shade. I'm big into tinted lip balms these days. All right, so this is how this one looks. I really enjoy the packaging of Thrive. They always have nice packaging. The color looks pretty intense, actually. Ooh, but happily, it really is just a tinted balm. That is beautiful. Is there a scent? I think there is a very slight scent. Slightly fruity. Very nice. I'll keep you updated with this as well in an upcoming speed reviews video. Okay, so now we have something from this brand called Vacation. Everyone has been going on and on about how they love the SPF from this brand. This is their spray SPF 50. I really like an SPF spray in the summer. I feel like it's a nice way to kind of reapply sunscreen throughout the day if you're wearing makeup. I mean, it claims to be SPF 50. I guess I don't know if I would trust that by spritzing on something I'm getting SPF 50, but you know, it's something to help. It claims to be an invisible finishing mist that's lightly scented with coconut cucumber. Oh, it has caffeine in it. Cool. Instantaneous refreshment. Octinoxate free, oxybenzone free, and vegan. How interesting. So the active ingredients are avobenzone, octisalate, and octocrylene. Let's give it a shake. I'm very hopeful it has a nice spritzer on it. Oh, that's not bad at all. Oh, yeah, I like that scent. I mean, I'm not always a huge fan of coconut scents, but I do like this one. Another product I will have to keep you updated on. Okay, this product I had to try. So the brand is called Ina, I don't know, spelled like that. This is their AntiChafe liquid powder. I thought this was a really good idea for them to include in a summer box. It's a silky liquid powder. It helps to reduce skin friction and chafing while absorbing excess moisture. Interestingly, it's gynecologist developed, so interesting. Hyperallergenic, clinically proven, vegan. I just want to like see what this is like. I'll just put it on the back of my hand. Okay, so it does come out as a kind of liquidy lotion. The scent is interesting. It kind of reminds me of, what does that smell like? It smells like something very specific. I mean, it's a chemically smell. It'll come to me. I know it. Oh, it smells like when you first unwrap a pool floaty. It smells like a pool floaty. Anyway, so now it's completely dried. The back of my hand, it does feel very silky. Interesting. I think that was such an interesting product. Okay, here's another interesting product. I got some nipple covers. This is from a brand called Gatherall. These are lightweight, ultra-thin, washable, and reusable nipple covers. I have never used a product like this, but I do get to a point where I get super annoyed trying to find the right undergarments for summer tops. Something like this just seems to be very handy. So they look like this. I don't know, I'm hoping it'll change my life. All right, we have a bag. This is from a brand Mocha. Oh, it's cute. It has snap closure. Ooh, it has a nice flat bottom on it so that it has nice support. I mean, it's not like super sturdy, but this is one of those bags that you can tighten like this. Oh yes, super cute. I think I'm gonna use this. This is cute. I'm really not much of a purse shopper. I buy a purse and I use it until it literally dies, the handles fall off, like the purse is rotting. That's how long I use a purse. But it will be nice to have something that's a little more summery to use in the summer. All right, one last item in this box. And this product is usually my favorite of the summer boxes. They always have the option for a really nice beach towel. This particular one is from the Fun Boy Poolside Leisure Club. And it is a nice big towel. And this is what the pattern looks like. Yay, a huge towel, which is exactly what I want when I'm at the beach or the pool. Okay, so that's everything in this box. I'm actually really happy with this box. Every single year, I'm like, maybe I shouldn't renew because my renewal time is always in the fall. So this is technically the last box for me in my current subscription, but I love this so much. It's making me really want to buy a subscription for next year. Let me know, did you get the summer box? If you did, what did you think of it and what choices did you make? There were a ton of choices this time. I mean, there always are, but I feel like it just grows each time how many choices there are. Did you get any fun add-ons? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that your May is going splendidly. I just realized I don't have a tea of the day. If you're new to my channel, I always have a tea of the day. Although in my defense, I just finished a giant matcha latte. I'm feeling kind of jittery. I think, yeah, I don't need any more caffeine. Have a wonderful day, guys. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.